up, everybody? Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life. And hey, have you ever been in a Carnival cruise cabin and you see those QR codes right up above here that are on the wall near the phone? You're wondering, hey, what's on that QR code? I mean, what's behind the scenes? I'm the nerdy guy that does that. So in this video, I'm going to click on a few of these QR codes, show you what's on the Carnival Hub app. And hey, there's some good information in there. Some of you may not think so. Some of you may be bored with this. Go ahead and unclick this, click on something else. But if you're a nerd like me, this is just going to be 3 to 5 minutes worth of information that you can only get while you're on the cruise ship. But it may help you out ahead of time prior to going on a cruise. So check out the Carnival Hub app and the QR code directory that's in each of the staterooms on the Carnival Cruise Lines. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. This very first Hub app that you scan on the QR directory is the safety information. So we'll show you a little bit of that information, then we'll jump into the stay connected part. All right, on the Stay Connected, you can deep dive into other subcategories, but we're going to go ahead and jump into this, the stateroom cleaning. So, hey, did you even know they do this? They give you right here all the areas that they clean when they do this daily. So here's a little bit of information about cleaning your room, your stateroom. This is what the Hub app looks like for the VIFP benefits and redemption. You click on this QR directory and it takes you straight into the Hub app, and you can take a look at some of the benefits that you would get. Again, you can dive deeper into this. We're just trying to give you an overview of what it actually looks like when you click into it. All right, this is a little bit of a directory here on food allergies. And then we have finally the spa. I don't think I went too deep into that because of we didn't have a spa room, but maybe it'll help you out down the road if you do have a spa room booked. Thank you for checking out this quick informational video. Please like and subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. We're your food and travel channel providing information. Thank you.